I will show you how you can turn on and use the windshield wipers on Assetto Corsa EVO in just a few seconds. If you find this helpful, please don't forget you can subscribe and leave a like for more. So this is very easy. What you need to do is go to your settings, then controls, because to use the windshield wipers, you need to bind the keys first. So you need to search by action name, just search for wipers, and what we are looking for is wiper cycle 1 and wiper cycle 2. Basically, the wiper cycle 2 moves it up and wiper cycle 1 will move it down. So you just need to click here and bind the key you want. Now you need to press a button, any button you want, and the same thing here. Okay, make sure you are binding it to the right controller you are using, because by default you might be at this category. So if you are using a gear shift or a controller, you need to go here. Okay, but it's the same process. Just click it and bind the key you want. So I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.